Alrighty, fellas, it's time to do the giveaway. So we're going to start the video with the giveaway. I'm giving away this oil pressure fitting thing. So basically, this is a M16 1.5 Banjo that goes on the back of the engine block, and it allows you to keep your oil pressure sensor, but I like to use them for running like your turbo feed line. So about 2 weeks ago, I put up a video saying I was going to give this thing away. All you had to do was leave it a comment. So now I'm going to use this random YouTube picker thing. I've never used it before, so we'll see how this goes. I got to enter my URL. So I'm going to go over here and go to www.thebestfuckingyoutubechannelever.com. And you can see it brings the channel right up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my videos and I'm going to get the URL. And I'm going to make sure that I'm subscribed with notifications turned on. That was a joke, but it actually does. YouTube does actually send me notifications for my own videos like all the time. So I guess I'm my biggest fan. It's kind of weird. Like, hey, guy, I already know that this video is up. I put it there. So I'm going to copy that. Let's go like this. Paste here. And I'm going to filter duplicate users. Filter comments based on specific text. No, I just want to filter duplicates. So let's do that. Get YouTube comments. 100 comments. I think it was about 113. So then what? Start the raffle and pick a random winner by clicking the start button. Okay, so we got 113 unique commenters. Start raffle. Let's try this. Randomizer. Matt. Matt is the winner. That's cool. Matt comments a lot, watches a lot. I know that, so that's cool. This is a sweet fitting. Definitely going to use it. Thanks for the link. 79 Mustang 4.8 homemade headers and hot side. Built TH400, 7875 Terminator X, hoping for low 10s. All right, cool. So congratulations, Matt. I know you'll see this video because you comment on like almost every video. So are you on the Facebook page? If you're in the go on the Facebook page and then get a hold of me on there and then send me your address and stuff. Don't post it publicly, but you can get a hold of me on there. If not, you don't have Facebook, we'll figure something else out. Just let me know. So congratulations. Enjoy the fitting.